Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share the recipe of chocolate cake with chocolate ganache. No one likes chocolate, it can't be possible. If it is chocolate cake, then it will be cherry on the top. So just take a look at the recipe. Here I am going to use these ingredients to make chocolate cake. For making batter, I will mix the wet ingredients as well as the dry ingredients of the cake. This is my oven setup. Here I am put some regular cooking salt. Let it be preheat for 10 minutes for medium flame. See, cake has been cooked properly and the toothpick has comes out clean. For ganache, I melted chocolate in hot milk. Do try this recipe and let me know in comment section.